finally made it to Sycamore Falls. Yay!
Red Butte is located in the Kaibab National Forest and dates all the way back to the Mesozoic period. Known as Clenched Fist Mountain to the Havasupai, its base is made of sandstone with a Shinarump conglomerate strata and capped off with volcanic rock on the summit, which tops out at 7,329 feet. The hike up is about 1.5 miles. That's sometimes a bit strenuous, but not too bad. And once you reach the top, you have those 360 panoramic views from the San Francisco peaks all the way over to the north rim of the Grand Canyon.
Getting to know what moderately challenging is referred to. The switchbacks are tough. We got this. Wondering if there's going to be any critters out here.
Well, they say the western diamondback rattlesnake is out here. I haven't seen any yet, but right in there would be a good place to find one. It's definitely a big hat day out here on the trail. Made it to the top of Red Butte. 360 panoramic view of all from the north rim all the way over to the peaks. And this little wonderful watchtower right here.
We're like 73,000 feet.
Yeah, it was strenuous, but not too bad.